Can you all see the screen, both of you? The students, can you all see the screen, Anna and Andrea? Okay. Look at the fourth main, students. I'll solve the fourth main, fourth question. Fourth main, fourth one. Cos square 30 is given. What is cos square 30? Root 3 by 2. Minus sine square 30. How much is sine square 30? 1 by 2 the whole square. Should be equal to right hand side. Have they given any number or cos value, students? Trigonometry value. Right hand side. Trigonometry value, right? Cos 60 is given. What is cos 60 again? Root 3 by, sorry, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So left hand side you have to prove it should be equal to right hand side. See, left hand side, when you open the bracket you get 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Right hand side 1 by 2. Next, when you take LCM you get 4, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. If you reduce it, are we getting 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 on both the sides? This is how we solve. So if you reduce this, you'll get 1 by 2, students. So 1. Make a note. I'll solve the fourth main, fifth one next. Shall I do the next one? Anna understood? Completed? Okay. Fine. Next question. Fourth main, fifth question, students. Tan 60 degree. How much is tan 60? What is tan 60, students? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 plus cos 60. 1 plus cos 60 is root 3 by 2. 1 minus root 3 by 2. When you open the bracket, you should get the same answer, students. Use a plus b the whole square. See, root 3 plus 1 the whole square Denominator we have root 3 minus 1 the whole square. And here when you take LCM, you get 2, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. You can solve it simultaneously, okay? You can do it together like this. If not, the other way, students. How do you solve the other? Look here. Instead of this, you can even do it like this. First, you can take LHS. Both of you look at the screen. First, you can write LHS value. LHS and show LHS calculation. Below that, you can take RHS. Write RHS, show RHS calculation, right hand side calculation. What's the value you'll get? Both of you unmute the call, students. What's the value for this? What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B divided by A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. So first you can show the left hand side. Below that you can show right hand side calculation. Both should be equal. Show that both are equal. So root 3, you get 3 students. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. And here you get, what's the value? 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. And when I solve this, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 minus 2 root 3. Now, what is common in the numerator, students? For both, what is common? Ignore this root 3. Ignore root 3. 4 and 2. 2 and 4. You have to factorize 2 and 4. What is common? 2 ones are 2 twos. Anything else common? Yes, 2 is common. Very good. In bracket, what do you get? That is the remainder. Remainder. 2 plus root 3 divided by. Even denominator 2 is common. If I take out 2, what do we get, students? 2 minus root 3. So which one gets cancelled here? 2 and 2. What is left? 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Understood left hand side calculation? LHS? Any doubts? Both of you all? Which one? No. Whole thing out. Which question are we solving? Can you tell me the question? Okay, fourth main, fifth one. There are two values, left hand side and right hand side. Take the left hand side part. Whenever there are two values like this, m divided by n the whole square. When you open the bracket, what do you get? M square divided by? In the same way I've taken square, right? Numerator, how does it look like? No, no. Yes, a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, right? Divided by denominator a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. When you open the bracket, what do we get? When how do you solve this? I know. That's 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Now, before fact, then what do we get? 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 minus 2 root. Clear? Okay. Both of you will copy it till here, students. Do it till here. I'll teach you how to factorize. Then we'll do the right hand side part. Till here, did you all understand, both of you? Okay, fine, students. Completed till here. Once you saw left hand side, then we'll try the right hand side one. Done. Okay, left hand side, both of you completed. See, there's a last part left, students. Factorizing. How do you factorize? If I take 4 plus 2 root 2x, what is common to them? Ignore 2. Ignore 4. What is common to them for 4 and 2? 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 is common, right? 2 is common. If I take 2 out, in the bracket I should write remainder. How do we get remainder? Divide this, students. Divide 4 by 2. What is 4 divided by 2? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Write 2 here. Take the next value. Plus 2x. Take plus 2x, divide by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is left? Only plus x is left, right? This is known as factorization. You take out the common value. The remaining value you should write inside the bracket. Now look at this. Look at this part. If you multiply this using bracket rule, if I multiply, what am I getting? If I open the bracket, 2 2s are, multiply this, 2 2s are 4. 2 into x is how much? 2x. Are we getting back the original question? Respond. Are we getting back the original question? This is how we simplify. This is known as simplification, factorization. Now, what is the common factor for 4 and 2 root 3, students? Ignore root 3. Ignore root 3. Just tell me the common factor for 4 and 2. 2. Then, how do you find the remainder? Divide. What do you get? 2 plus, divide 2 with the other one. You get root 3. Now tell me denominator. What is common? Let me write it next to that. You won't get confused. Common. If you divide 2 with the question, you should get 2 plus root 3 divided by. What do you get remainder, students, when you divide this? 2 minus root 3. Which one can be cancelled here? Which one can be cancelled? This 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So what is left? 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Is this clear? Did you understand? Right hand side we'll prove. Right hand side we'll see whether you get the same value. So we left hand side we got a value. We'll check right hand side. Completed left hand side part. Now look at right hand side. Right hand side is very easy, students. We have two denominators. How do you rewrite this? 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 minus root 3. Which one gets cancelled? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. See, these two gets cancelled, right? These 2 and 2. What is left? What's left, students? 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Are the values same? Left hand side and right hand side, we got the same values. This is how you solve the question. Let me minimize. Write it one below the other. Right left hand side. After that, right hand side part. Shall we try fifth main first one? Completed? Okay, fifth main first question. Same question, students. Can both of you try? Left hand side, we have two parts. Left hand side, what is given? Fifth main first one. Right, LHS. LHS, what's the value given? Sine 2 into 30 degrees. What is 2 into 30? See, you directly can't write 30 here. First multiply 2 into 30. How much is 2 into 30? 60, right? 60. This is how you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to write sine 2 into 30 degrees. You can't write 30 as 1 by 2. Is this correct way to write? Is this correct, students? No. According to board mass, first you have to complete the bracket rule. Sin 60. Now what is sin 60? How much is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Left hand side is that. Solve RHS. RHS we have 2 into tan 30. What is 2 tan 30, students? What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 plus. Yes, plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Try this. Numerator you will get 2 by root 3. Denominator take LCM. Open the bracket. LCM is important. If you know how to take LCM, you will get full marks. Apart from that, other concepts are easy. What's the value, students? What do you all get? 1 plus when you open the bracket. No, no, we made a mistake, I think. 2, 1. Okay, correct. 2 into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, when you take LCM, what do you get? What about Anna completed? Okay, what's LCM, students? You get 3 plus 1 by 3, right? So 2 by 3 into, what is 3 plus 1 by 3? How do I write it, students, when there are two denominators? 4 divided by, what is it? 4 divided by 3. 2 tan 30, prove that 2 tan 30 degrees given. Okay. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. How do you write 4 by 3, students? When I write multiplication, it becomes 3 by 4. What's the value? 2 ones are, 2 twos are. What do you get? 3 divided by, is both of you will respond. 3 divided by 2 root 3. What about root 3? What kind of number is root 3? Irrational. Could you rationalize it? How do we rationalize? See, let me take 2 root 3 and multiply by which one, students? Only root 3, right? Root 3. So I get 3 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What's the answer left? Root 3 divided by 2. Are we getting the same answer, left hand side and right hand side? Isn't it this is how we solve. Go through, students. First go through what I've done, how to take LCM. Anna, do you have any doubts? No? Okay. Try the second question, both of you. Once you will complete this, try the fifth main second one. Don't just copy, students. First go through what is done. If you have any doubts, let me know. If you don't understand, I'll teach again. Root 3 is irrational. So just multiply by root 3. Students completed, both of them done? They're not still doing it. Okay, let me solve. Anna done? Okay, which one you're getting stuck? Which part, Anna? Understanding which one? You're not able to understand. Tell me fifth main second question. Previous questions were you able to understand? Do it or what? Okay, tell me what's your doubt in this one, fifth main second. What's the question given? Take left hand side. No, tell me left hand side part. I'll write it, Anna. I'll explain. Cos what is given? You tell me, I'll write. Cos 2 into 30. What is 2 into 30? 60. Right? 60 degree. What is cos 60? Answer. You have the table with you. I've written it. Yeah, tell me cos 60. 1 by 2. So left hand side we got 1 by 2. Right hand side they've given us a question. Right hand side. Yeah, take this RHS. Just substitute the values. What is given? 1 minus tan square 30. How much is tan square? I'll write square. What is tan 30? Correct. 1 by root 3. Simple. You have to just prove left hand side and right hand side. Once you solve, they should be equal. 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2 the whole square. When you open the bracket, what do you get? And 1 plus 1 by 3. After that, what's the LCM? LCM is 3. Then, how do you take LCM? What do you multiply here? 1 into 3, right? And 3 into 1 into 1. So what do you get in the numerator? 3 minus, and your 1. So you get 2 by 3 divided by, which one gets cancelled? How do I rewrite this? How do I rewrite? When there are two denominators, how do we solve this? Yes, side by side. You write side by side, right? 2 by 3. When you put multiply, this gets, you write 3 by 4. Very good. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is left? 2 by 4. If you reduce, you're getting answer. Yeah, you're answering everything. Then why didn't you do it? Okay, LHS. Why are you getting nervous? Is this school test going on? Hannah? Is it school test? Then why are you getting nervous? Completed students. Both of you will go through this once again. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yeah, don't draw this arrow. Arrow is just to show you all both are equal. Once you show both the values, right, LHS is equal to RHS. Any doubts, Anna? Andrea and Anna? No, right? Okay, try the third last one. If you have completed this, try the third one. I'll minimize this. Try the third. If you're not able to do, I'll teach them. Got the answer? Is it same? Okay, what is RHS students? 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, right? So what do you get? 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 divided by, when you take LCM, what do you get? 3 minus 1 divided by 3. This was a very simple question. So when you rewrite like this, into 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You have 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 is irrational number. Rationalize it. Root 3 into root 3. So you get 3 root 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. The answer is root 3. Are both same? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Got the answer? Okay, good. So we solve. Fifth main is done. Tomorrow we'll complete and start new exercise. What about rational irrational concept? Do you all remember that, which we did 2 weeks back? Both of you all? Okay, how to rationalize, take LCM and so on. We'll do it. This Saturday I'll conduct a test. Okay, enough students, enough. Just make a note of this. Remaining will continue tomorrow. Write it neatly, write it step by step. Both of you all completed? Okay. That's it for today. Attend tomorrow at 4:30. You all can leave.